Priya, and then Lucy is Lucine. Wow. What's a unique name? Lucine and Priya. What's a unique name? Oh, and Trish, your name is Melia. Wow, well, your very, very nice name. And my name is Ging. So, Giboner, your name is Freya. Trish, your name is Melia. And Lucy, your name is Lucine. Hoping that I will remember all of that. What's a very, very nice name? Okay, Lucy, Lucine, and Giboner is Freya, and Tris is Melia. Oh, wow. Yes, tomorrow